Namaste and hello to everybody. I am here to share about how Satva helped me in organizing and growing my patients using the Satva Digi Clinic. So, to give a brief about myself, I have my own private practice. I have my clinic, Atharvani Ayurveda Clinic, which is in Mumbai, and here I go digital, especially with my both of online and offline patients. Some of the common scenarios we usually face are, we vaidyas are, the patients message on WhatsApp their health issues and they send reports and they expect an answer. So this leads to a disorganized consultation, I should say, and the payment is not handled. It becomes difficult for us to ask their payment if at all it's a known person. And again, it's hard to track prescriptions and the patient's progress. So therefore the patient and Vaidya relationship is it gets hard and harder to build and even to sustain. This again has a very low referral aspect, I should say. So basically, it's overall a bad experience for Vaidya and patient. So with Satva Digi Clinic, what happened was all these changes. Now it became easy to invite my patients to my private clinic. Now all my patients get a free mobile app from Satva just to connect with me. So there are features of calendar and we can set work hours. So the ease of setting consultation slots, the calendar feature, everything has made my life very easy now. And the payment is done prior to booking any appointment. So the payment is taken care of. And we have all the e-prescriptions and reports, which the patients can download as a PDF and access it on their mobile app anytime. And even the Vaidya can see the prescriptions and the reports which have been uploaded. And even a report, an image also can be uploaded on the app. Everything will be in one place and accessed at any time. And of course, this has led to a better patient and Vaidya relationship. And the patients are very happy to get help, especially the people who are unable to visit me personally in my clinic. And with this Satva, the referrals have increased, and the number of patients more than 5 times, I should say, since I started on Satva. And I can say very proudly that it is designed for Ayurveda and Ayurveda Vaidyas. So it's the best way to set up your private clinic on Satva is you can just WhatsApp this given number here or email at hello@satva.ai. So they will the team will help you go further. And each Vaidya will get a free webpage to invite your patients to your clinic. Okay, it is something like this. So all the patient has to do is type in their name and email ID, and you can actually send this link to all your patients. Okay, so this is like this marketing page will be created once you register with Satva. Okay. So thanks a lot. I hope every Vaidya who was practicing Ayurveda will take the full benefit of this beautiful venture. Thank you.